Hi everyone, this is Alicia and you are watching All You Need. Today we're gonna talk about the person who left us too early. Yes, we are talking about the legendary late Sushant Singh Rajput. Sushant was an Indian actor with almost no haters. He had no godfather in the film industry. Whatever he achieved in his life, all was the result of his hard work, perseverance, and dedication towards his passion of acting and dancing. Sushant was born on 21st January 1986 in Patna, Bihar. He did his schooling from St. Karen's High School, Patna and Kulachi Hansraj Model School, New Delhi. Then he ranked AIR 7 in AIEEE in 2013 and secured a seat in Delhi Technological University in Mechanical Engineering. He was a National Olympiad winner in physics. In all, he cleared as many as 11 engineering entrance exams. Then, he started participating in dance and theatre. He rarely had time for studies, resulting in several backlogs which ultimately made him leave DCE. He completed only 3 years of the 4-year course before dropping out to pursue an acting career, as some of his fellow students happened to be interested in acting and were attending Barry Jones drama classes. Influenced by them, Sushant also joined the acting classes. He found his passion for acting. Then in 2005, he was chosen to be in one of the group of background dancers at 51st Filmfare Awards. In 2006, he was part of the troupe that went to Australia to perform in cultural program at opening ceremony of 2006 Commonwealth Games. Then he said, "I found the experience liberating. I realized that I could communicate with the audience. I knew I wanted to do it forever." After a few months of joining dance class, Sushant was selected to be a member of Davar's dance troupe. By this time, he was tired of engineering. He was happy and successful in the dance and drama classes, and he decided to do he was good at. He dropped out of engineering and devoted himself full-time to dancing and acting to make a break into films. Sushant shifted to Mumbai and joined Nadira Babbar's Ekjut theatre group, which he remained a part for 2.5 years. During this time, he was featured in a TV advertisement for Nestle Munch, which became famous throughout the India. In 2008, the casting team of Balaji Telefilms saw a spark in Sushant and invited him for the role of Preet Juneja in Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil. In 2009, Rajput began starring in Pavitra Rishta as a Manav mature character, working as a mechanic to support his family. For his wonderful work in Pavitra Rishta, he received 3 major television awards for the Best Male Actor and Most Popular Actor. This performance was his breakthrough and gave him a stepping stone into the films. In 2010, Sushant joined the dance reality show Zara Nach Ke Dikha. In this show, he was a part of the Mast Kalandar boys team. He did the shooting for both Pavitra Rishta and Zara Nach Ke Dikha at the same time. In 2013, Sushant was auditioned by Abhishek Kapoor for Kai Po Che and got selected to play one of the 3 leads along with Rajkumar Rao and Amit Shah. His second movie was Shuddh Desi Romance alongside Parineeti Chopra and Vani Kapoor. Directed by Mahesh Sharma and produced by Yash Raj Films, the film deals with the subject of live-in relationship and was completely filmed in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Sushant's next role was in Rajkumar Hirani's 2014 film PK. Although his role was relatively minor, the film gave him the opportunity to work with Amar Khan and Anushka Sharma. Upon its release, the film proved to be a super hit. In 2016, he appeared in Neeraj Pandey's biological sports film MS Dhoni: The Untold Story. The film was a critical and commercial success, becoming one of the highest grossing Bollywood films of 2016. Sushant's performance was widely praised and by critics and earned him his first nomination for the Filmfare Awards for Best Actor. Next, Welcome to New York was a 3D film. New York was a 3D comedy film Deshmukh, starring Sonakshi Sinha, Karan Johar, Sonakshi Sinha, Karan Johar, Diljit Dosanjh, Lara Dutta, and Boman Irani. In 2017, he appeared in Dinesh Vijan's Rabta, co-starring Preeti Sanin. The story is based on the concept of reincarnated star-crossed lovers. This unoriginal film on rebirth grabs ingredients used in a bunch of Indian films and was released on 9th June 2017. In 2018, he appeared in Kedarnath, a love story set in backdrop of the 2013 floods in Uttarakhand. Co-starring Sara Ali Khan in the film, he played the role of Mansoor Khan, a Kashmiri young man. It was a debut movie of Sara Ali Khan in Bollywood in the career of acting. In 2019, he appeared in Abhishek Chaube's Saun Chidiya opposite the very gorgeous Bhumi Pednekar. Set in the Chambal Valley, the film follows the story of a legion of dreaded warring dacoits who once terrorized the Indian heartlands. Then he appeared in Drive alongside Jacqueline Fernandez, directed by Tarun Mansukhi and produced by hero Yash Johar and Karan Johar with Apurva Mehta under Dharma Productions. The story of the film revolves around the manhunt for an infamous king of robbery of 300 kgs of gold. For an infamous king in the same year, he appeared in Nitish Tiwari's Chichore opposite the very talented Shraddha Kapoor that released on 6th September 2019. This film received critical acclaim for its portrayal of postal life in Indian colleges. It became commercially successful and was declared a blockbuster with an earning of 215 crores. In 2020, he starred Mukesh Chhabra's remake of The Fault in Our Stars titled Dil Bechara. The film was slated to be released on 8th May but was postponed due to corona pandemic. After achieving this much success and pride in life, unfortunately, on 14th June 2020, Sushant was found dead hanging with the ceiling fan at his flat in Bandra, Mumbai. He is not